It's my birthday. 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 Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday and I'm feeling very excited. For my birthday, I'll be decorating my Christmas tree. So today is Wednesday, December 18th, and I know the video will be posted after my birthday. So in the last video I went shopping, so I'm going to show you some of the stuff I bought, and I'm going to do some DIY ornaments, of course. So without saying much more guys, let's just get right to the video now.
Alone is Christmas.
Okay guys, so before I show you the ornaments that I bought, I'm going to do some DIY acts with these old ornaments that I have, because my tree is very big and I don't have a lot of ornaments. I could not buy a lot, to cover the entire tree, so I have some old ones, so I've decided to reuse them. So I'm going to show you various acts that you can do with your tree, something budget friendly. I am using a brown fabric to wrap the balls. It is a stretchy material. So the color scheme that I'm using for the tree is gold, rose gold, black, brown, off-white, and a little copper.
Just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about is realized. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Be your gift to you, myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
So guys, this is hack number 2. So remember I told you that I am over this red and white traditional Christmas. So as you can see, I am spraying all my red balls in gold. So this is a very creative way to repurpose your Christmas balls. So instead of throwing them away, you can wrap them with fabric, spray them. You can use glitter on them, Mod Podge, you can glue something on them. You can just decorate them and repurpose them.
This year you've left me wondering.
So the last hack, guys, is to wrap your gift boxes with fabric instead of gift paper. And the reason why I love this hack, it's not because it is cheaper, it is because I can match the fabric with the balls on the tree. So my gift boxes and my balls, they will be the same color, the same texture. And I just love the textured look. I use a lot of velvet, so I just love that look. It is rich, it is elegant, classy, soft, and it looks so good.
Let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Be your gift to you, myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
So last year my theme was black and white. So these are the gift boxes I used. So these are the ornaments I bought when I went shopping. So these are so lovely. They are cute. They are nice. They are beautiful. So now I'm going to decorate the tree. The tree is pre-lit. I bought it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description down below.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts, Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again.
So guys, the tree is completed now. So this is how it looks without the light. So now I'm just going to turn on the light and you'll get to see all of it. Wow, beautiful. So I'm going to dim the lights.
Snowflakes falling gentle and bright.
Ooh, lovely. I love it. Lit. Let us take a look at some of the ornaments. So look at this one, the pine cone. So this one was red and I sprayed it in brown. Look how vibrant it is. Wow. And this one was wrapped with the fabric. This is a rich brown. And look at the black. See another fabric one here. Wow. And you have a little blush. Look at this one, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I have a little Santa Claus right here. Wow. Look at this one that I sprayed. So this one was red. This gold is very rich and vibrant. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the pine cone. Lovely, lovely. Look at the pine cones. So rich. And I added some white, off-white. I love it. I added some gold. I'm gonna add some more black ones on the tree. I love this one. Love, love. Love this one. And the gifts at the bottom. I love them. Beautiful. Nice. And I added a bow at the top. So beautiful, I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, share, comment, subscribe if you have not. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my head, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights,